Hi, I just want to take a minute and talk about how I do sponsor links at the bottom of the page of my smugmug account. One of the first things I've done is if I go into organize mode, I am logged into the site right now. I have a folder that I call sponsors. The sponsors folder is unlisted. It has a logo, gallery, and in the gallery logo, or in the gallery is the logos. So if I was to go and say I want to go to this particular logo, what I would do typically is I'm going to go to, let's see, best way to get this. Click here, go to here, and then instead of app, we're just going to go to my smugmug.com. Sorry, my Maple Mountain Sports.com sponsors/logo. If I go ahead to that directory, then it's going to show me that folder and gallery. From there, I can select the individual logo. You can see here that it is 300 by 250. So that's the size I do. I use a Photoshop template where I have basically the background is white or black depending on the logo itself, and then I'll try to clean the logo, center it, make it look very nice, so that it shows up well on the form. So from here, what you can do is actually click share, click embed, and we're going to choose a size of original. And what this does is gives us a link here. So you can copy that link. I save these files as ping files. You could do it as a JPEG or whatever, but basically I can copy that URL from there. Now, what I'm going to do to actually take care of this is we're going to go into customize of our smugmug site. When we go into customize, you can see this is for all galleries, so all pages that show up. And I have basically an HTML section. In that section, I have a heading, which is basically MapleMountainSports.com business sponsors. And then I've got a bunch of commented out sections here as well. But really what matters is this link right here. So we're doing an anchor. The anchor is going to the href of whatever location that business is. I set the target equal to blank, so that it spawns in a new page. And then you do the image source. This is where you're going to paste in that source that you just copied. So where that file is. And then from there, you're going to set the width. I actually set the width to be a little smaller so that they're not as full sized, a little cleaner so that it fits well in both mobile as well as not. And then I set the height to auto. And so that's basically it. You just put each of those in here. And then when you're done, one other thing I do is I have a little bit of basically border radius CSS that kind of rounds the edges. You don't need to do that. I'll include what I've got on both sides. So when you're done with that, you would click done. And then when you click done from here, you're going to say publish. At this point, I'm just going to discard the changes. And then what that does is adds this HTML section at the bottom of every page. And then from there, you can click a link. It's going to pop it to another page and basically take you to that other site. So hopefully this is helpful to you. And if you have any questions, please comment.